This is a neck stretcher from RESTCLOUD. And let me just tell you what a lifesaver this little thing is. Oh my God. Okay. So I have been going, I have something going on. My chiropractor's calling it the backpacker's compression, where it's massive pain and it's like right here. Like it's T1, T2, T3. It's like right below the neck, not quite the neck, but right below it. And I was going to the chiropractor practically on a daily basis, and it was just not, it would be relief for a minute, but then the next day I'd wake up and I would need to go again. And I was just in so much pain. That's why I was so relieved that RESTCLOUD sent this to me. When I first saw it, I thought, but I took it into my chiropractor and he said, absolutely use it. And so I started using it. I've been using it twice a day for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes a day, twice a day, 2 times. And I haven't had to see a chiropractor now in 8 days. And I'm so stoked. And he's stoked too, because he's like, he didn't want me coming in every day like that. I was in a lot of pain. And so now the pain is subsided. I still need to see the chiropractor a little bit, but man, just getting that traction in spreading out the spine, because what's happening is it's compressed and the pain comes from the compression from the muscles kind of holding everything in tight. So now I just throw this thing, I just throw my neck over this and I just lay and I can feel everything kind of like settling and working its way out. It's actually a little, when I first got on this, it was very painful because I was already in a lot of pain. I was like, oh, I don't know if my neck is supposed to move that way, but I could feel the muscles kind of going like that. And as I started to use it every day, man, what a difference this makes. It's so simple and totally approved by my chiropractor. So thank you again, RESTCLOUD.